Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, very little price action so far this week. This is market open right here, and it's been an extremely tight little range so far. The fact that it's very overlapping and very rangy makes me think that maybe this really is just a pullback to this last wave down. It really depends a lot on the dollar index. I mean, the dollar index looks like it could be going down. If the dollar index is going down, then this potentially might go all the way back up and make new highs. Right now, it's definitely looking very corrective. Like I was saying yesterday, it seems almost like it needs to pop down a little bit more to finish off like a wave C, down to these lows, and then go back up for either a wave three, which a wave three would just keep on going. It'd probably bounce from fib levels, but overall, it would just keep on trending up, or a wave C, which a wave C would go to a Fibonacci level, probably double top, break structure down, and then just end up continuing the downtrend. So I definitely have a long bias right now. I'm not trying to trade it to the short side for this wave C. I would much rather just try to get long at the end of a wave C if it gives me the opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.